How's it going, YouTube? Bronco Outdoors here with another car gadget review video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the XTOOL D8S Auto Diagnostic Scanner. This is a professional level diagnostic scanner on a more DIY friendly budget, so I'm super excited to see what they jam-packed into this device. We've reviewed a lot of XTOOL devices on this channel before, so they are always challenging the status quo and they consistently perform well. So this D8S Auto Diagnostic Scanner promises AI scanning functionality, full topology mapping, and as well as 42 special functions and resets. That is jam-packed, and I cannot wait to take it out of the box and see what it's capable of. So stick around, let's get started.
Kicking this off with the unboxing, we can see we get a nice plastic carrying briefcase for this device. We get our instruction manual and some charging hardware, the OBD2 connector, and a USB-C charging cable along with our OBD2 cable. Taking the scanner out, you can see we have a convenient little kickstand on the back and our USB-C charging slot, OBD2 port and power switch, along with a very rugged heavy-duty build. We can go ahead and connect our OBD2 cable to the OBD connector, plugging the other side of the cable into our scanner, and now we're ready for our setup and testing. Plugging it into the OBD2 port on your vehicle, we can go ahead and power on the device by holding down the power button. We can go through the quick setup, connecting our device to Wi-Fi and picking language preferences, as well as creating our XTOOL account. Once we are completed with that, we are going to go ahead and jump into the update section. You can see we have 181 updates waiting for us already, so this device does come with a 3-year free update pack, so you are good to go for 3 years. So make sure you install those updates upon using this device. We're going to go ahead and test the OBD2 functions now. We're going to take a look at the trouble codes. You can see my vehicle has no vehicle codes, but I can clear them just as easily if I did, straight from this screen. Jumping into the live data, we can see we have just about every metric we would ever need, and it is tracking live here. We can create a custom report of just these two modules, and we can plot them over a graph just to see how quickly they are able to track. So you can hear the engine revving in the background, and this is reporting back to us live, so there is no delay whatsoever. Excellent. And we can also record this report and save it off if we want to take a look at it at another time. Jumping into inspection and maintenance readiness, we can see all of the checks and balances that need to clear for us to go past vehicle inspection. Jumping into special functions, we have our 42 special resets and functions, so you can see it's definitely jam-packed with a lot of good functions. We're going to go ahead and check out the power balance function on a Ford. This is for my vehicle, 2021 Bronco Sport, and we're going to control the powertrain module. Taking a look at the power function, we can see that once we are given our warning here, we can hit OK, and sure enough, that this test is showing all 3 of my cylinders. This is an i3 cylinder engine, so you can see that they're all firing at the same, which is great. Now we're jumping into the commonly used functions. So we're going to do a whole vehicle dynamic detection test, which is going to test every single sensor light module on this vehicle, and it's going to do each one by one. You'll see various things happening on my dashboard, around the car, lights, sensors are going to be blinking, and you can see that the trunk just opened up. The lights on my dash are doing a bunch of crazy flickering. We can see the instrument panels being tested, so now my air conditioner light and blowers being tested, along with the collision detection sensors. And of course, now we can get our report of what failed and what is working. Using the XTOOL button, we can get launched right over to their website to get some quick, handy support, which is always good. XTOOL does stand behind their products, so they are very good for support. And now we'll take a look at the AI assistant option. This is a built-in AI chatbot that we can use to get some assistance while troubleshooting our vehicle. We can see that it's currently telling us how to view a trouble code, what exactly it means. P for powertrain, B for body, and so on. So now I'm going to say I have a error code P10005, and it's going to tell me what that code means, how to fix it, and some diagnostic tips, which is very convenient to have right on board this device. You don't have to take out your phone, your hands can be full of oil, right? It's convenient to have this all built in. Swiping up from the bottom and clicking home allows you to get out of the diagnostic software, and you're actually able to use all the other apps like the camera, for example, which surprisingly actually is a very good camera and takes a very clear picture. Definitely able to add some color to your reports and diagnostic reports for your customers. So that just about wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Overall, I'm really happy with the way this device performed. I think it really lives up to the price that it has. And of course, it places itself a little bit higher up in the prosumer level, professional features and functions, but a more DIY user price. So it's definitely worth checking out if you are interested. 42 resets is probably one of the highest amounts that I've seen on this channel. Again, with the AI diagnostic assistant being built in, as well as a really nice looking and sturdy device that'll definitely be able to handle whatever you throw at it in your shop. Be sure to check out the XTOOL official store for all the functions and features that you'll get with this scanner. And of course, if you are going to place an order, we'd really appreciate it if you use code Bronco Outdoors at checkout. You'll get 10% off and save yourself some money there. And of course, it helps out the channel. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. You've been watching Bronco Outdoors. You have a great day. Feel free to check out some of my other content. Stick around for a while. Thank you so much. You have a great day, and bye-bye.